Hello student, welcome to you in this new video. This is second part of the division. In our first part, we quick revise, that is equal sharing, equal grouping, division terms and the division as repeated subtraction. So students, in this video, that is unit 6 division, we will learn multiplication and division. In the multiplication chapter, I revise you the multiplication fact, that is 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12, and the fact is 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to also 12. This is the multiplication fact. Actually, most multiplication facts have two division facts each, like if we divide 12 by 2, say the table of 2 till the 12 comes, till you get 12, say table of 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and 2 6 are 12. That is division fact. We divide by 2, the answer will be, the quotient will be 6. Again, if we divide 12 as 6, we get 2. This is the division fact. Say the table of 6 till the 12 comes, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. That is 2 is the quotient, 2 is the answer. This is called division fact. Next, there is one example for you. Example is 5 packets. We have 5 packets, 4 pencils in each packet. Means, assume that this is 5 packets for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there is 4 pencils in each packet. So students, how many pencils are? Total number of pencils, 4 pencils in each packet, and there is 5 packets. So the total pencil is 4 pencils in each, that is 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. It means their total number of pencils are 20 pencils. Clear student? You can say that 20 pencils, total pencils are 20, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 5 times means 4 5s are 20. 20 pencils and packets are 5. Packets are 5. So, pencil in each packet. How can we find pencil in each packet? That is 20 divided by 5. If we divide 20 by 5, we get 4. Means 5 4s are 20. Present, if we have 20 pencil and 4 pencil each, we have to find the packets number. The pencils are 20 and 4 pencils in each packet. Number of packets we have to find. We will divide 20 by 4 to get number of packets. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. It means number of packets are 5. Clear student? In this question, there is division fact to know number of packets and number of pencils each. Clear? This is the multiplication fact, that is 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, and we can multiply 5 by 4 and get 20 also. This is called multiplication fact. 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20 also. So students, this is multiplication fact. As multiplication fact, the division fact is 20 divided by 4 divide by 4, we get 5 packets. Means 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. And if we divide 20 by 5, we get 4. This is called division fact. Hopefully all of you understand what is the multiplication fact and what is the division fact. Now students, next topic is division using multiplication table. That is very easy. So students, in this division using multiplication, this is the same topic as previous. Like we have to find the question by multiplication. Like if 32, if the question is given to you 32 divided by 8, what is the question? What is the answer? 32 divided by 8, you have to say table of 8 till the 32 comes, or you will get 32. The table says 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. If we multiply 8 by 4 is equal to 32. So the answer is 4. Next, 15 divided by 5. Say the table of 5 till 15 comes. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. That is answer is 3. It means 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Next one, 12 divided by 6. Table of 6. Say table of 6 till the 12 comes. Like 6 twos are 12. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Here 42 divided by 7 is equal to 7. Say table of 7 till the 42 comes. That is 7 6 are 7 multiplied by 6. 7 6 are 42. This is very easy division using multiplication. You have to say the table of given divisor till the your dividend comes. Clear student? This is the division using multiplication. One another example, that is 10 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. 2 is question. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So 2 is the question of this question. Next is division fact. In division facts, our first fact is when a number is divided by 1. When if we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The quotient is the number itself. Like if I divide 12 by 1, means we have to say table till 12 comes. Like 1 12s are 1. 1 12s are 12. Sorry. So answer is 12. It means the answer is number itself. So next is 7 divided by 1. Means say table of 1 till 7 comes. That is 1 7s are 7. The answer is 7. 1 7s are 7. The answer is 7. It means the answer is, the question is number itself. If we divide any number by 1, the answer is number itself. This is the fact of the division. Another example, 20 divided by 1. If we divide 20 by 1, the answer is also 20. So remember that the fact is that if we divide any number by 1, the answer the number itself. Now student, our second fact is when a number is divided by itself. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Look, example is 13 divided by 13. See the table of 13 till 13 comes, that is 13 ones are 13, means the answer is 1. It means if we divide any number by number itself, the answer will be 1. Another example like 40 divided by 40. Say the table of 40 till 40 comes, that 40 ones are 40, means the answer is 1. 40 comes in one time, 40, that answer is 1. Next, in 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1, because 15 ones are 15. 1 is answer. That is clear that when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Clear students? Now next fact is 0 divided by any number. If we divide 0 by any number, it gives the quotient 0. The answer is 0. How? Like 0 divided by 2, the answer is 0. Because we have to say the table of 2 till the 0 comes, that is 2 zeros are 0. The answer is 0. So the quotient will be 0 because 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. This one? One more example, that is 14 divided by 0. If 0 divided by 14, the answer will be 0 because 14 zeros are 0. If we multiply 14 by 0, the answer is 0. It means in table of 14, 0 times will come 0. That is the answer is 0. So the fact is that 0 divided by any number. If we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is 0. This is the third fact of the division. Next one is division by 0. If we divide any number by 0, like 15 divided by 0, this is meaningless. This is meaningless. This is meaningless. The fact is that your fact is completed. Now, one more example of your story sums. There is one question, that is Anu distributed 48 toffees equally among 8 friends. Total number of, there is 8 friends, and the question is how many toffees did each friend get? It means Anu has 48 toffees. She has 48 toffees and she wants to distribute 8 friends, distribute toffees among the 8 friends. So, how many toffees did each friend get? How many toffees? So, students, total number of toffees that is given 48. Anu has 48 toffees and number of friends equally distributed among friends. Total number of friends are 8. It means number of toffees each friend got. That is 48 divided by 8. Say the table of 8 till 48 comes, that is 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48 means each friend gets 6 toffees. Each friend gets 6 toffees. Clear student? Again, number of toffees are 48, friends are 8, and the toffees given by Anu, each friend is 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6 because the 48 comes in the table of 8 on the 6 times. Clear? 8 6 are 48. So each friend gets 6 toffees. Clear, student? This is your story sums. There is some question for you. That is, first one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is 40 divided by 10. What is the answer? 40 divided by 10. Say the table of 10 till 40 comes. That is, for 10 fours are 40. Answer is 4. Clear? Next is 30 divided by what? There is fill in the blanks to get 5. It means we have to say the table of 5 till 30 comes. That is 5 6 are 30. The answer is 6. Clear? Next, 117 divided by 1. The answer is, if we divide any number with 1, the answer is number itself. That is, answer is 117. Next one is 72 divided by 72. Means if we divide any number by number itself, the answer is 1. Clear? Next one is 72 divided by 0. If we divide any number by 0, the answer is 0. Next, 20 divided by what? The missing number is divisor. The question is 4. So, say the table of 4 till 20 comes. That is 4 5s are. The table of the multiplication fact, that is 4 5s are 20, means 5 is 5 times 5 is answer. If we say the table of 4 5 times, the answer is 20. So 5 is the divisor of 20 to get 4. Next one is 9 divided by 0. This is the fourth fact, that is, if 0 can't be divided any number, so it is meaningless. The answer is, you can write as meaningless. This is meaningless. Next question is, student, divide using multiplication table. You can divide by multiply number to get the dividend. So first one is 36 divided by 6. Say the table of 6 till 36 come. That is 6 6 are 36. 72 divided by 8. Say the table of 8 till 72 comes. That is 8 9s are 72. The answer is 9. 8 9s are 72. The answer is 9. Clear? There is both division fact and multiplication fact. Next one is 12 divided by 2. Say the table of 2 till 12 comes. That is 2 6 are 2 6 are. Means 2 6 are 12. Clear, friend? Next is 88 divided by 11. Say the table of 11 till 88 comes. In 11, 8 times till 88 comes. So the answer is 8. 11 8s are 88. You can write 11 8s are 88. Means 8 is the answer. Clear? Next one is 42 divided by 7. Say the table of 7 till 42 comes. That is 7 6 are 42. So the answer is 6. You can write it 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. The answer is 6. 7 6 are 42. Hopefully all of you understand the division fact, multiplication of by division, division using by multiplication tables, multiplication and divisions, story sums and all fats. Write these questions in your PC copy and solve the question that is given in your PDF in your PC copy. The copy will check in your physical classes. Okay students? Bye students.